Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make salmon patties or salmon cakes. This is another recipe you can make just with what you have in the pantry and the fridge. There's nothing for you to chop up. To go with the salmon patties, I will show you how to make a quick tartar sauce using just what you have in the fridge. All the ingredients and measurements are in the link right below this video. I'm using 2 cans of salmon. Of course, if you're lucky enough to get fresh salmon, you can definitely use that. Breadcrumbs, mustard, mayonnaise, and lemon juice. Salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Parsley, only if you have it. You can leave it out if you don't. I had a little bit of fresh flat leaf parsley left, so I chopped that up. You can substitute a little bit of dried parsley or dried dill. Dill goes perfectly with salmon. Don't forget to wash the top of your cans before you open them. The salmon is skinless and boneless. Some of the salmon you get in the store has a big bone in the middle, so make sure to remove that before making the patties. Drain the water and put the salmon in a bowl. Break up the lumps. You don't have to make the salmon into a paste, but just mash it a little bit so there are no big lumps. Just like that. Add the salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Breadcrumbs. Mustard, mayonnaise, and lemon juice. And the parsley if you're using it. Mix it all up. For a binder, I use either mayonnaise or eggs. So if you don't have mayonnaise, you can use an egg. If you don't have an egg, use mayonnaise. Add just enough mayonnaise so the mixture holds together to form a patty. Heat up a pan to shallow fry the patties. Add a little bit of oil. Just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. You don't need too much. The mixture is ready. Now we can form the patties. Divide the mixture into 4. And just form a patty in your hand. Roll it into a ball. Just press it. And that's it. I fry them just like this, but if you want them extra crispy, just dip these patties in breadcrumbs and then fry them. When the oil's hot, put the patties in the pan. Cook them until golden brown on both sides. About 2 to 3 minutes on each side. When they're golden brown on both sides, remove them from the pan. For the sauce, I'll use mayonnaise and pickles. This is sweet pickle relish. If you don't have relish, use regular dill pickles or the sweet pickles. If you're using regular dill pickles, add a little bit of sugar. Just chop up the whole pickles up very small. To a bowl, add the mayonnaise, pickles, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, and a little bit of lemon juice. This is really to taste. Mix it up really well. Taste it, add more salt or lemon juice if you need to. This is easy, homemade tartar sauce. It'll last in your fridge for a couple of days. Make this first and let it sit in the fridge for a little bit before you make the salmon cakes. They're crispy on the outside and soft and delicious on the inside. You can also serve lemon wedges on the side. For something that came out of a can, it's extremely tasty. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.